Hello everyone, welcome back to Becky Cooks. Today we are going to be making two soups at the same time. We are trying to minimize cost and save time and every other thing. So I'm going to blend the pepper mix for the two soups at the same time, and I'm going to boil the meat at the same time also. So this is stockfish. So I have this meat in the freezer, this cow head, some part of it. So this is the game changer in this soup actually is this uziza seeds I blended, transformed the taste entirely, very yummy and delicious. So I decided to use the frying method. I just cleaned my egusi and poured it into the blender I used to blend my pepper mix and just blend it into a very smooth paste. So I'm starting up with the egusi. I bought one mood of egusi for 2,700. Let me know how much it cost in your area. So I'm going to use the frying method. I'll just pour it into the oil and just stir until it's no longer as smooth as it is now. Then you know it's well fried. You keep on stirring all through the time. So you can see how it looks now. So now you can go ahead and add a bit of the meat stock. Then the container I used to blend the egusi, and then this pepper has the uziza. I blended the uziza and a part of the pepper together so that it will be very smooth. Then this is the other part of the pepper. The pepper contains shombo, tatashe and onions, and of course the scotch bonnet pepper. Tatashe and the shombo, very nice for if you want to make your egusi to be very nice. It's very important you have that in your pepper mix. So as that one is doing its thing, I'm going on to start my ogbono soup. So I just added a little bit of red oil and immediately I poured in my already grinded ogbono. I have this ogbono since and I've not used it. It's 1 cup of ogbono. I don't even know how much it costs now. So I poured in my remaining meat mixture, the cow head and the stockfish. Then the rest of the pepper mix that has uziza seed and the pepper mix I blended. So I added water to loosen it, and this soup is so simple and straightforward. Less than an hour you are done from the kitchen if you've already prepped all your ingredients down. So that's one thing. If you want to minimize time in the kitchen, you just prep your ingredients a day before. You can pre-boil your stock, your meat, your protein choice, blend everything and keep, slice your ugu and let everything just be ready. When it's time to cook, just mix everything up and you're good to go. So this is the egusi. I left it to cook and this is what we have. So I added in the protein. I added crayfish. Just the basic, and the soup was so yummy and tasty. I added my seasoning cube at some point. Add to your taste. And back to my ogbono soup. It's very drawy. It's very, how will I even call this one now? Is it the ogbono they draw way? If you understand what I mean. So I'm adding in my bitter leaf. I love the taste of bitter leaf in ogbono. The blend of the taste is just so nice. Add in a bit of bitter leaf and let it cook for some time because bitter leaf needs to be soft. So to the egusi again, I came back to check on it and I'm adding the bitter leaf. Stir it and let it cook for some time before you add your ugu leaves. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you just subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you for your support and everything. Please like this video, comment, let me know what you think in the comment section about this method of trying to survive in this economy. And this soup can last for a while actually, depend on how often you eat swallow in your house. We don't eat swallow often, so this can last us for a month. I'll store them in the freezer. So I just have some Titus fish I roasted the previous day. I just added a bit of it. The remaining one I shared it in between the two soups. And our soups are ready. These are some of the quantities I got. I just left a little bit in the pot so that anybody that wants to use that afternoon can just eat from that. So the egusi was more than the ogbono because we eat more of egusi than ogbono. So I think I tried. What do you think? Let me know. So that afternoon, it's a Saturday afternoon. So what better way to enjoy our soup than with very nice, fluffy, stretchy pounded yam. And with this my food processor, it just makes everything easy. I just use it and a couple of seconds I have my pounded yam. It's only the washing of this thing that is always the problem, but I'll just soak it in water, pour enough water inside, and after a while I'll just come back and wash. So our soup is ready. Which soup will you be using to eat yours? Egusi or ogbono? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.